Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Satra. Once again I'm coming back to you for the class 9 Java classes. And I already have given one or two classes for class 9, and this time again I want to start another class that is specially for class 9 beginners. And you see that today actually my chapter is values and data types. Values and data types are one of the most important chapter where we will understand these are the things clearly. Before going to start my class, please, this is my request, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification, and you will get lot of important classes like this, a series of classes you will get like this. So I will try to cover up the complete class 9 syllabus in this way, one by one. You will try to follow my channel, you will get the important information like this. So let us start our class today. You see that today I'll explain only this part. This part means this chapter, which are the important things I'll tell you one by one. The Java character set. You will see that I already have written the main topic of the Java character set. A set of valid characters that a language can understand is known as a character set. A language, whenever we will apply in a computer, maybe Java, maybe C, maybe Python, any other language, there should be a character set, means by which we can write the program. What are the character sets? Any language, suppose in our normal English language, you see that what are the character sets, like alphabets, all these uppercase, lowercase alphabets, as well as other things. Whenever we are writing a sentence, what we are applying that sentence, the exclamation, question mark, all these things we need, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these things whenever we are writing a sentence, whatever the characters we need to complete the sentence, that is called the character set. You see that in that way, in our Java programming, you see that character sets are set of valid characters that a language means actually it is a common word, language can understand, is known as a character set. So Java language, what are the character set it can understand? You see that a 16-bit character set, a 16-bit character code set. The 16-bit character code set means 2 to the power 16. How many signals are there? That many signals we will apply in this. So you see that that is a 16-bit character code set that encode characters used in the language is known as the Unicode character set. So this is Unicode character set we are going to apply in Java. So this is the first topic we have to understand in this way. Definitely you must read the book, some content, to get the contents and details. So only this much concept I am giving about the Java character set. After that, you see the tokens. The tokens, what is that? I'll explain it with the sample program. What is the token actually? Tokens are the things, means whenever we are going to write a program, so the tiny part is called the token. Means any Java program, whenever you will write, the tiny part, even a full stop, comma, semicolon, a word, a variable name, whatever these are called tokens. I'll explain that one with one sample program, then it will be clear for you. Then data types. The data types, in my next class I'll explain these data types. Means whenever you are writing anything in the computer, what type of data is this? It is a character, it is a number, it's a text, it's a boolean value. What is this? That is called the data types. And escape sequence. Escape sequence means whenever we write some character, something like this /n. If you have already understood in class 8 that you have seen /n for new line, /t for tab, these are the things we have to understand. I'll explain in details later in my next class. So one by one I have to explain, then it will be clear for you. Not in one class, everything I can't explain, it is very difficult because it will take a long time. So I'll explain today details about the tokens, because this is a character set. Just you have to understand this, what are the character sets. After that I'll explain details. So data types, this escape sequence and the symbolic constant, I'll explain all these things, type conversion, in my next classes. So let us start today about the tokens. What are the tokens are there? So that we will understand. So let us see what are the tokens. I'll help you to Okay, now let us check that the tokens that you can see that have changed. This one I have written just now, the tokens. These are the tokens type. Okay, the tokens are the 5 types mainly I have written. Means what is the tokens? Tokens is actually whenever we are writing a program, in that program these are the things we are applying. So you tokens, you see that keywords, identifiers, another name is variables, literals, constant, separators, punctuators. It has a other name also. So tokens are 5 times: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and separators. Identifiers, another name we can see, that is the variables. Literals, another name is constant. Operators and separators, another name is punctuators. Sorry. So you see that this is a simple program I have written. In this program, these are the tokens where we are writing. You check it. You should understand this one in class. Means if you have understood this one in class 8, I think this is not new then. So yet I am explaining in details. That is what is tokens. You see that this is the different things I have written over here. That is punctuation. This is the separator, keyword. These are the things. What is that tokens? You see that first you keyword. This is keyword, keyword, keyword. Okay, these are keyword. This keyword means which are reserved in Java, that is called keyword. Means we cannot use that one for the variable purpose. Like any person's name we can't keep like this, any bridge name or anything which is already popular, means any particular, suppose the river's name, we can't take the name in that way. So we can't say that is your name is Howrah Bridge, or you can't say your name is monument. Not like that. That the name, that the things which are reserved, the word which are reserved in Java, that is called keyword. So that words are, means this is written in Java compiler, that is void, class, int, int. These are the things are in these are reserved in Java. Then check, that is identifier. So identifier means it's a variable name. A variable name in Java. What is the rules are there to write the variable name in Java, that you have to follow. We can't start the variable name with a number. We can't write any special character which is means beyond the rule. We can't use that. The variable name, what is the rules you have to follow as per the Java programming language. So it's a variable name, variable name, variable name. You see that variable name, or it is called identifier. And another one, you see that this is called constant. Constant can be, it is a character constant, it's a integer constant, it's a decimal constant, it's a hexadecimal constant, anything that is, suppose character constant. What is the character constant? Suppose this is called character constant. This is called character constant. These are called character constant, and this is called integer constant. Int y equal to 7, this is called integer, means it's a constant. This is a variable. This side the value is called the constant value, means this is a constant. It can be 25, it can be 2.5. These are called constant values. Okay, so operator, this is operator, this is operator. It can be arithmetical operator, relational operators, all these operators are there. Plus, minus, into, divide, all these are called operators. Okay, so these are the tokens where it is in this program. I have explained that only. So at least after seeing this, if you see this, you can understand it clearly that which is called token actually. Token means all these tiny parts, this dot, these are all called token. This is called token, this is called token. You see that separator. What is this semicolon? This semicolon, this semicolon is called separator or punctuator. Okay. So this is a sample program which will help you to understand these tokens at a glance. Okay, so I think this is clear. So I have explained today keyword which are reserved in Java, identifiers. You can see here what is this name. These are called identifiers, the variable name. Literals called constant, this is called constant. Operators, these are operators. We will explain in details later on. So separators are called the punctuators. These sets we will understand one by one in the next class. Okay, so up to this much is today what I have explained in details today about the tokens and the keywords and identifiers you have seen. Once again I will tell you about individually one by one, then this chapter will be cleared. Okay, thank you very much for joining us this class. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. You will get lot of important information like this. Okay, thank you very much.